Criteria Labs CL1010 is a high-performance InGaP HBT MMIC amplifier utilizing a Darlington configuration with an active bias network in a Hermetic package. It's a replacement for the Corvo or RFMD SBB4082S. The CL1010 active bias network provides stable current over temperature and beta process variations. It's screened and qualified to MIL PRF 38535 Class Q and Class B specifications. It features excellent gain flatness, small size, minimal external components, and hermetic packaging.
The CL1010 is a direct replacement for the Corvo or RFMD SBB4082S. It has a single fixed 5-volt supply, ultra-flat gain, OIP3 of 38 dBm at 1.15 GHz, and a P1 dB of 19 dBm at 1.15 GHz. As a hermetic package, 2 pins, 5.8 millimeters by 2.8 millimeters in size. Applications for the CL1010 include space applications, both commercial and non-commercial, commercial industrial applications, and aerospace and defense applications. Want to learn more about the CL1010? Visit criterialabs.com to download the complete datasheet or to connect with one of our engineers.